What up guys, welcome back to Digital Slang. Today we are going to revisit the XS Max. This phone has been out for a long time. It came out in September of last year, so it's about 9 months old. The iPhone 11, we've seen the leaks and rumors, it's coming out in September probably, and it's not going to be too different than the XS Max. So recently I decided to jump in a pool, take some underwater videos with my phone. This phone does have an IP68 water resistance rating, however it did not survive the swim for me, so I had to do something and get another phone. It's kind of perfect timing. However, last year I didn't have the channel running, so I never did an unboxing of the original XS Max, my Space Gray. I loved it. It's been my daily driver for a long time. So I decided to go gold this time. We're gonna check it out, do an unboxing. We're gonna revisit this phone one more time before the new phones are released in September. So I'm excited to get into it. So let's take one more look at the XS Max. Let's get right into it. Gold version. 256 gigs of storage, and let's open her up. It's probably one of my favorite sounds of all time. I don't know if that's good or sad. Designed by Apple in California. You know, we love the stickers that are in here. SIM card tool, and there they are guys, the Apple stickers. But this bad boy right here, first off, let's talk about what's in the box. This thing, come on Apple, I think it's time to ditch this little piece of crap and give us what we really want, some fast charging, something a little better. But this is the phone, this is the gold version. Again, it is really nice looking, really sweet. Let's take off the plastic. On the front. As we power it on, let's compare actually Space Gray and the gold. Man, the gold looks really nice, I'm not gonna lie. This is the 8 Plus, so it's about the same size as the 8 Plus. And we'll take out, this is the OnePlus 7 Pro. This phone is a little taller. I did an unboxing of this the other day, so I will leave that in the cards. So we can just go over the specs and revisit this phone one last time. 6.5-inch OLED display. It's running the A12 Bionic, IP68 water resistance. However, be careful. We know what happened to my Space Gray version. It does have the dual cameras on the back. The main camera is a 12 megapixel. It does take fantastic photos. It does have portrait mode, smart HDR. The front facing camera is a 7 megapixel camera. And it's a really good camera. It's not the best. It's not Google Pixel-esque, but it is a fantastic camera. It does shoot 4K video as well. Stereo speakers. It does still have the Lightning connector. It does support wireless charging. So if you are a fan of that, then you will be very happy because it's fantastic. The battery life is pretty good. It doesn't have as good battery life as the XR, but it is pretty good. If you're a heavy user though, you might need to charge it at least once a day. And that's about it guys. You know, this phone, it's a fantastic phone. The iPhone 11 is going to be out soon, so this will come down in price slightly. Again, this is a 256 model, starting price point of $1249. If you want to go even up to the 512 gigabyte model, it's almost $1,500 brand new. Don't expect it to go down too much. These phones do hold their value. However, if you don't mind getting a used phone, you can find this model right here on eBay or maybe Facebook Marketplace. You will find it at a reduced price, probably around $800. It's better than the $1249 it's going for today. So I would suggest if you want this phone, go into the used market. If you want it new, wait until September because the new phones coming out will probably be a little more pricey, and this phone will be relevant for the next 3 to 4 years at least. It is a great phone, and with that A12 Bionic chip, it will be around for many years to come. This phone is very fluid, it is very smooth, it will do anything you ask it to do. If you are a gamer, you will have no problems with that. So I just wanted to revisit this phone one more time, guys, before the new phones were released. So let me know if you have used this phone, if this has been your daily driver. Let me know what you guys think of the gold color compared to the Space Gray right here. I've always been a fan of the Space Gray, but the gold, I kind of like it a lot. So I will be throwing my SIM in right now. I'm doing a test with the OnePlus 7 Pro, but after that, I probably will throw it in here just to relive my experience on the XS Max. But overall, guys, let me know what you think. Hit that like button, support the channel, and subscribe. And just enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. We'll talk soon. Peace.